Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. So in this video, I'm going to show you the varieties of dahlias that I have this year. This is Cornell Bronze. So we'll start in this corner. The one I just showed you was Cornell Bronze. And we have a beautiful plant back there. This one is Great Silence. Let's see if we have any more. I think it's just Great Silence in that one. This one is Cameo Mondor, and we have one over here called Gets Crazy. These two over here are Sweet Natalie and Buttercream. These two here are Salmon Runner and Sebastian. Back here I have a Caitlin's Joy and a Lights Out. Back here I have a Mambo. These are my newest ones, and they're just waking up. So back here I have several Black Satin. I have a Terracotta, Bloomquist Golden. Over here, Western Tin Lillian, Penhill Dark Monarch, Ivan Eddy, another Cornell Bronze, and Barefoot. I have tons of dahlia cuttings, and I showed you this in a different video. Oh, I gotta change the water again. But this one has some roots at the bottom. They're starting to rot, so I gotta make sure I change the water. Back here I have a Pinelands Princess. These two are unlabeled. This one is a a la mode. Another unlabeled back there. This one in the front is, let's look at this one right here. That's a beautiful Tradescantia. This one's a Marn, and it's just taking off. Looking really beautiful. I have some back here. I don't see labels on those. They might have labels. I've got some more cuttings. Look, my first little bloom. I have a dahlia in there. Not a dahlia. Basil in there. So these are just cuttings done in water. There's some more cuttings done in water. These are brand new. These are most recent, so see how they're looking healthy still on top, but they barely have any. These are dahlia cuttings inside in the Root Riot cubes. And then down on the ground, this one's not labeled. This one says Valley Rest Bucket. This one is Diva. The middle one doesn't look labeled. This one over here is Sono Jojo. Back here, got any labels on that one? Nope. This one is the most exciting one that I want to grow this year, and it's called Polka. And it looks like it's doing pretty good for me. And this last one, no label. Okay, here are my last couple. Cornell. This one, no label. This one is Ivan Eddy, Jomanda, and Jowie Winnie. Let's turn this. This one is Mystic Illusion I bought last year. And then behind that, I'm going to just pull it up because it's hard to say this one. And then back here, this one's not looking so swell, but it should do okay still if it's not rotten. Let's look at the tubers. I've got a lot of rot in there. That's why the top looks like that. Frustrating. But that is Kasagi. That was a super quick video to show you my varieties of dahlias that I'm growing this year. And I potted every one of them up inside to get them nice and rooted, and so that they would have some growth, because I live in Utah. We do have a long growing season, but can you never have flowers early enough? And for some reason, I always just have them in August, and I want to have them in June and July. Is that impossible? We will find out. All right, see you later. Bye.